CCS combines the advantages of existing charging systems into one single solution that can handle any charging scenario and support CO2 neutral mobility. To help further develop CCS and related standards, CharIN founded several focus groups with over 700 international experts from 250 global cross-industry members. These focus groups work on recommendations for standardization, regulatory, and technical topics to improve CCS and MCS and enhance the customer experience. Let's have a look at each focus group in particular. FG Charging Connection. The group is harmonizing and discussing future requirements of charging connectors, such as the development of Megawatt Charging System for heavy-duty vehicles of all kinds. FG Conformance Test and Interoperability. To ensure interoperability between EV and EVSEs, the FG established a certification process with creating requirements and test cases according to international standards. FG Charging Infrastructure. This group tries to diminish hurdles for CPOs and EVSEs by defining a regulatory framework for payment systems, improve the customer journey or defining a common fuel labeling and power classes, such as the 5 levels of grid integration. FG Grid Integration. To enable bidirectional charging between EV and EVSE, the group is showing vehicle-to-grid demonstrations and provide feedback and input to related regulations and standardization bodies. FG Charging Communication. This group is discussing the implementation of the communication protocol in the car and charging station and along the whole e-mobility ecosystem. Existing issues in the field are identified and taken into consideration. Guidelines are drafted to simplify the implementation and assure and interoperable communication. The outcome of the focus group work is extremely important since it represents the voice of the global e-mobility industry and builds the bridge to political, standardization, and management bodies. With the entire e-mobility industry covered, CharIN is your first point of contact regarding EV charging. Benefit now from position papers, newest findings of the industry, implementation guidelines, product development, and charging recommendations. How? By becoming a member or a partner of CharIN. Get in contact with us.